These hot honey garlic wings with cilantro lime ranch are so good. Let's go. We preheat the oven from the jump to a nice hot heat, like 425. If you have a convection setting, turn that on. Next up, we prepare the wings. Make sure they're patted completely dry. Moisture is the enemy of a good crisp. And then we season them. Some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, and the secret ingredient to a good crisp, baking soda. Baking soda speeds up the Maillard reaction by increasing the pH level of foods, which in layman's terms equals a good crisp. Give them a good toss and spread them out evenly on a wired rack baking sheet. And into the oven they go. Since we've got some time to kill, let's make margaritas. In this instance, I'm making coconut and key lime margaritas. It's not quite time to make the sauce, but I've got a lot of garlic to chop, so let's get to it. Into a food processor goes cilantro, green onion, garlic, mayonnaise, sour cream, heavy cream, and a nice amount of freshly squeezed lime juice. Top it off with a little soy sauce, some salt and ground black pepper, and let that blend until nice and smooth. We transfer it to the refrigerator where it chills until we're ready to serve. And now onto the sauce. I've already got some butter melting in a saucepan, to which I add the freshly chopped garlic, soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, red pepper flakes, some paprika, chili powder. We need a little something fresh to pair with these wings, so cucumber it is. Time for the grand finale. Remove the wings from the oven. And while they're nice and hot, pour that sauce over the top. Give them a good toss. And transfer them to a serving plate. Grab that chilled Cilantro Lime Ranch. I'm normally not an advocate for double dipping, but if these are for personal use, dip away.